Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Eloy and today I'm going to show you how to wash your hands properly. Here we go! Things that we need for washing hands. First, we need our soap. And of course, our hand towel or paper towel. Now we can begin washing our hands. First, wet your hands a little bit. Get some soap. Start rubbing your hands for lather. To rub your hands properly for lather, interlock your fingers like this and start rubbing, making sure that your palms are touching or rubbing each other. Next, put your hands on top of the other, interlocking your fingers again and start rubbing. Do the same on the other hand. Next, make a fist and lock your hands together and start twisting. Do the same on the other hand. Finally, rub the tips of your fingers on the palm of your other hand, going on a circular motion. Do the same on the other hand. Make sure that you also wash your wrists. Now you can rinse your hands. Make sure that you rinse your hands thoroughly until the soap is gone. Turn off the faucet and get a towel. And that's how you properly wash your hands. Always make sure that your hands are clean and make sure to follow all the steps in washing your hands properly. Until next time, bye!